everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a lovely video. I was kindly sent a really lovely set by the company called Modelones. Now this is their Christmas set and they've got lots of Black Friday promotions on this set. So if you're wanting to purchase after this video, obviously make your mind up. The links are in my description and there's lots of coupons because obviously it's Black Friday. So if you like this set, then please go ahead and buy it. So what you get in this set is polygel. So this is a polygel based set, but you get a lot more. So you get clear, white and pink polygel, and then you get a base coat and a top coat, which is completely essential. And then you get some sticky layer wipes that they're just like alcohol wipes where you get the sticky residue off. And then here are some like cream gels, which are so nice in such lovely colours. And then you get two glitters, which is a darker shade and then a lighter shade. Honestly, I love the glitters so much. And then you take this layer off and then you get all this other stuff underneath it, which I was so shocked about when I opened. And it's also lovely stuff and good quality. So these are the jewel forms for the polygel. If you're wanting to know how to use the jewel forms, look in another video. I'll link that down below as well. They were tapes to either make straight lines, or I don't really know what you do with them, I'm new. To nail stuff, and they are little pictures. I don't really know what to call this stuff, to be honest, because I'm quite new to nails, but little pictures, that's completely wrong. But yeah, these are all Christmas related things that you can stick on your nails for decoration. This is a cuticle remover, which, to be honest, I think this is actually my most used cuticle remover. Wow, I cannot speak. Cuticle remover, just because it's so good. The last thing you just saw was some crystals to stick on your nails, and then this is a little picker to pick up the crystals rather than using your nails, because if you've got acrylics, it's not going to go well really. This is the brush that you use for the polygel. Unfortunately in this set you don't get slip solution, however you can still order it online, and I've got their slip solution and it's great, it works perfectly with their products. But yeah, I really like this brush, it worked as well as it needed to, and it's really easy to clean. You got a nail file and then a dust remover, which is like a little kabuki brush, and then another either cuticle remover or cuticle pusher. Now that's everything you get in the set. It will be linked down below, as well as this UV lamp, because obviously you will need to cure the polygel. It's a little lamp that, it really does the job, and it's so like, what's the right word? Like, it's easy to travel with because it's quite small, but it's not too small where it takes too long to cure the nails. It takes about 30 seconds to cure the nails with this, and that's like the normal amount. And there I was just struggling with the little stands, like the little legs of it to stand it up rather than you having to hold it. But yeah, if you want any of these products, the link is in the description. Also, because it's Black Friday, you will get a coupon code, which will also be linked down below. This is the instruction manual how to use the UV light, but it's pretty easy. You won't really need to look in there, I don't think. And then also, I was very kindly sent 7 nail varnishes, which you'll see, yeah, the extra ones there. And I think this is in another set, and that will also, I mean, you can always just look on the website because they've got loads of discounts on the website. For this, I think this is a different set, and this is all gels that you cure with the light, and they're all Christmas colours, which are so pretty. I'll swatch them all and you'll see them all, which these genuinely are my favourite gels I've got, if I'm being completely honest, and such pretty colours. Along with those cream gels in the set that you last saw. You'll see me use the glitter ones when I do the demonstration of the nails I end up doing. So yeah, these are the bottles, so pretty, and you can soak them off, so it's easy to remove. You don't need to peel them off and ruin your natural nail if you are putting them on natural nails. Yeah, really nice. So this is the shade Jinglebell, and it's a really pretty gold shade, and they're so good quality, because I find with a lot of gels that they can be too thick, but these aren't thick in the slightest, as you can see. That shade is called Christmas Tree, which is such a pretty green. This is called Snowflake, and oh my god, it's so pretty, and it's really buildable, which I love. I have no idea how to pronounce that, so we're just gonna, you can read it, it's fine. That's just a really pretty white shade, and again, none of these are thick consistency, so they're easy to use. This shade is called Santa Claus, and the next shade is called Santa's Mousse. Bit of a weird shade, however, I know that a lot of people would like it. And that shade is Gift Socks, which is like a red with sparkles in, which I'll show you here. You can see the sparkles in that red shade. But yeah, that green shade is so, so nice. Okay, so this is my practice hand that I'll be doing some nails on today, just because I didn't want to do my own just because I already had acrylics on. So I'm demonstrating on these nails. So first off, you'll want to file down the natural nail or the fake hands nail, if that's what you're doing it on practicing. But yeah, just file down the first, like the natural layer, to make sure that it's got more, I'm losing my words today. I think voiceovers just make me nervous. But yeah, file down the layer so the glue and the polygel will stick onto it. Get rid of the nail dust and then stick on your tips. You can either use the dual forms, which you get in the set, or tips. Either works fine, and you can even use forms. But just today I decided to use tips just because that's what I decided to do. I'll link my other video on Modelones other sets that they've got. I did a video maybe last week, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I used the dual forms then, so if you wanted to know how to use the dual forms, I've got a video on that too. But yeah, cut them down to your preferred size and then shape them. Any shape is fine. I went for more of a square / coffin-ish, but it turned out a lot more square. I was going for more coffin, but I just got fed up of filing, to be honest. But yeah, I still really like the square look. But yeah, and then buff down the tip, so then there's more, I want to say grip, maybe more grip. And then I'm doing a base coat, which is what you get in the set, just so the polygel stays on the nail better. And I'm curing this with the light. You will see me, I'm holding it right now, but yeah, then I'm using the little stands because I finally figured out how to get the little legs down, and it was pretty simple. I'm just stupid, to be honest. And then I'm using the slip solution. You didn't get this in the set, however, you can get that online. It's not expensive. Just look on their website because it will be linked down below. So this is their polygel. I'm using their pink one just because I hadn't actually used their pink one yet, and I wanted to test it out. And it's really good quality, to be honest. And in my last video, I did my sister's nails using polygel, and they lasted just like a normal set if you went and got them done professionally. So if you're wanting to save money, then I definitely recommend investing in either acrylic or polygel, especially polygel, just because it's so much easier to use and it's not that expensive. So just honestly click on the links, have a look. You might not even want this particular set, you might want other sets that they do, and I can tell you right now, Modelones products are such good quality, and especially for the price. And if you're wanting to buy, you may as well buy now because they've got so many Black Friday deals. So honestly, get it whilst you can. That's all I can say. So here I'm just smoothing out the polygel. Very easy to do. I sped this clip up slightly, but it really honestly does not take long. And then you have to cure it for about a minute, and then you're good to go. Here I'm using the UV gel cleansers, which just get rid of the sticky layer, and I would also recommend using these after the layer of gel that you use, as in like from like the colour gel, the gel varnishes, gel polishers. And then this is another base coat for the gel polish. I personally like to use base coats a lot just because I know that it is going to make what I've done stay, because there's no point doing it and it only lasts in 2 days, so you want it to last as much as possible. I'd also recommend using a dehydrator, but I didn't get that in this set, so I decided not to use it in this video. Plus it's on a fake hand, so it really doesn't matter, obviously. So here I'm just using the white shade that I cannot pronounce, so I'm just gonna ignore that. But yeah, you can see that it is quite opaque. I used 2 layers on every nail just so it was as opaque as possible. I didn't feel like it needed 3 at all, because you can already see that one coat was good enough. Now I'm using the shade Shiny Snowflake on the accent finger. Here you can see that, obviously you can see the glitter, however I wanted it to be really, really opaque. And then here I'm fading the glitter up the nail because that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to do like a fun little design. I did a few layers of that glitter, as you can see on the nails it was a bit more, and then I used the little pots of glitter, which, oh my gosh, are so good, honestly, so good. And they probably sell these, a set of these glitters or what have you. Just look on the look online, which I know I keep emphasising, but I can't tell you how good this set really is. It lasts just like if you were to going to get them done professionally, so you're really saving a lot of money. So here I get into the decoration, and now I'm using the little strips. I chose silver just because I was going for like Christmas nails, white Christmas if you get me. And then I just used some nail scissors to cut the excess of the tape off. And now I'm using the little rhinestones, and with this set of rhinestones, the wheel of rhinestones, they're different sizes instead of just getting one size, which I love so much. So here I'm getting the larger rhinestones, and then I get small ones, which you'll see at the top there. But I'm so sorry, I forgot to press record when I was sticking the rhinestones on, so I've already done quite a few, but you can see here I'm still sticking some more on, just because, why not? Yeah, I really, really liked these, plus they were easy to stick on. Really, really easy, in fact. And obviously the design is completely up to you, and whatever you like is what you like, so you go for it. I've got to say, these nails are so pretty. My only fault is I wish I filed them more coffin, but I do really like them. And that glitter on the accent nail is so pretty. But yeah, just a reminder, we've got in the description a link to my past video of me using the jewel forms and the coupons down below.